Hello, YouTubers, millionaires, multimillionaires. My name is Ali, and today's topic is going to be how to add multiple domains to one hosting account and install WordPress using NameCheap cPanel. One thing you guys want to do, let's play this video here, and I'm going to try to explain it as we go. It's real simple, okay? Here we go.
But you want to add another domain to your hosting account and install WordPress to your add-on domain. We'll cover that in this video. First, if you haven't done so, purchase a new domain name from NameCheap. Then log into your NameCheap account and click Domain List. Find the domain you want to connect to your NameCheap.
All right, guys. One thing I want to mention over here, you have to have one domain that's actually being hosted. Okay, so I'm going to go into my not cPanel. I want to go into my domain list. Let that populate here. Okay, so you see this bottom domain here. This one is actually being hosted, and these top ones are not. So what I did, I did share hosting for these 4 domain names under this domain name. Okay, so selfup20 is the one that's being hosted. I purchased all these domains with NameCheap, and the only one that I'm paying for hosting for is selfup20, which is the bottom one. So what we're going to do is connect one of these other domain names to the one that's being hosted. This way you don't have to pay separate hosting. Okay, let's go back to the video real quick. So in order for you to do the hosting part, this part's going to explain it right here.
Shared hosting account and click Manage. Scroll down to Name Servers, and from the drop-down select NameCheap Web Hosting DNS.
All right, so we're going to do that right now. We're going to come down here. I kept clicking on the wrong one. So here's the domains. Like say I already connect this top one and I already connected the bottom one. Say if you want to connect this one here, you're going to go Manage, and all you got to do is come down here which says DNS. What's that say? Let me make it a little bigger. This is name servers over here, servers. So you're going to click drop down menu, or we're going to change it to NameCheap Web Hosting. And you see that little check mark here? You just click on it and it is done. Just got to give it a second. So now that domain name clickalib.com is connected to, or it's being share hosted under the excuse me, under, let me go back again. Let me make that bigger or smaller. So basically I just connected this domain here, or not connected, I shared sorry about that. So basically I did share hosting this domain here with this domain. Now I have this one connected, I have that one connected, and the only one I don't have connected is this one here. So now you can actually go back to your give me a second here. I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to take this here, and we're going to go to domains. Hold on, guys. I'm doing this off on the other screen here. All right. So you want to go under your cPanel, and you want to go under domains. You're going to click add-on domains. Click on that, and what you want to do here, you want to come in and select the domain that you want to connect, which is eMarketOcean. Let me go ahead and grab that. Excuse me. Just give me 1 second here. I'm doing this off screen. As soon as it loads, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. eMarketOcean. We're going to grab that. Copy. We're going to put that up here. Okay. And we're going to hit enter. Don't worry about changing anything here. Just hit add domain. Give it a second here. It's still going. You see the little thingy over here? It's adding that domain to the hosting. Oh, what happened? Something went wrong. What does that say? DNS entry domain eMarket Ocean self already exists. Oh, it already exists. Okay, let's go back. Oh, here it is. Okay, I guess it already exists. Manage redirection, remove. So what we want to do after this, we want to go back into cPanel again. Give me a second, guys, here. We're going to close that. And we're going to go down to domain names. We want to go under, give me 1 second, guys. We're going to go under eMarket Ocean right here. Okay, right here we're going to hit manage. Oh, I did the wrong one. I'm sorry. I'm actually, server updated may take up to 48 hours. Sometimes when you add your web hosting, shared domain hosting, it may take up to 48 hours. That's what they tell you, but most of the time I've seen it takes about 10 minutes. So it's not really a long process. So what we want to do is go to cPanel again, which is, give me a second here. Let me go to my cPanel. Okay. We're going to go to product list. We're going to go to hosting. And we're going to go to cPanel. Okay. We're going to scroll down. We're going to go to domains. Where's domains? Here we go. Let me bring that over to you guys. Alright, so you want to go down to domains. Go add domains. And we're going to go back and put in the, which one was it? The ClickBee. That's the one I need to add. Copy this. Copy. Put that here. Put that there. Paste it in here. Add domain. Let that finish. It's still going over here. I hope I don't get an error like I did on the last one. This one's taking a little bit of time. Okay, everything looks good. Add domains, ClickBee. Okay, so that's created. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to go under cPanel again. We're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to go back into your cPanel. You want to go down to WordPress right here. And you want to go to self up, It's only showing, it's not showing the two new ones that I added, because sometimes it takes a little bit of time. So I guess we have to give it a minute here. Until it shows. I hope this is not confusing you guys. I'm so sorry. Oh, maybe if we hit scan. Let's go ahead and hit scan and see if anything else shows up. Start scanning for installation. No installation is found. I guess we have to wait a few more minutes. Import installation. Manual installation from auto installer. I think we have to wait a little bit of time on this. Come over here. Yeah, one thing I'm noticing over here, when you go to click on all installations on top, and it's only showing the 3. So the other 2 are not showing yet. But anyway, if we go back to the video that we were watching a minute ago, where's that video? Where's the video? Here we go. Let's put that video back in here.
Click the check mark And that's it. It may take up to 24 hours for the changes to take effect, but it's usually within 1 hour. Now that our DNS is set, we still need to connect the domain to our hosting account as an add-on domain. So log into your cPanel and scroll down to add-on domains. Again, these instructions are for people who already have at least one domain associated with their hosting account.
You have to have one domain hosted in order for you to follow these steps, okay?
This is not for people who are brand new and only have a single domain. So click add-on domains. Enter the domain name in the new domain name box. Click in a gray area and the subdomain and document root will be filled in automatically. You can change the subdomain if needed, but you should probably leave that alone unless you know what you're doing. If you need an FTP account for this domain, check this box. If you don't know what that is, then you don't need it. Click add domain, and that's it. Now your domain is ready to use. Before we install WordPress to our new domain, let's install the free Positive SSL. This step is totally optional. Click NameCheap SSL, select the
This video here was done in 2019, and I guess the SSL was offered free back then, but it's not available for free now. I think it's only like $5-6 a year, so it's definitely well worth it. Which means you see that little lock over here, and it makes your website secure. So I highly recommend doing that. It's only $5 for the whole year. That gives you the HTTPS option. The S makes it secure.
Proper domain and install the certificate. Change any settings that you need to. We already have other domains running WordPress in our NameCheap hosting account, but I want to install WordPress to our new add-on domain as well. I want a separate install and not a multi-site. You can read more about multi-sites in the description and decide if that's right for you. So from cPanel, scroll down to the Softaculous Apps installer, and under Scripts, select WordPress. Choose Install Now. Make sure you are installing the latest version. Choose your protocol. Since we already installed our SSL, I'll choose HTTPS. You can choose the www version if you prefer, but I personally think it's redundant. Now, the important part, make sure you choose the correct domain. I'll choose the Sasquatch domain. Leave the in directory box blank unless you know what you're doing. Give the site a name and description. This is not important as you can always change it later in WordPress. I do not want a multi-site, so I won't check this box. Choose an account name for this WordPress account. Then you can choose your own password or click this key to generate one. Make sure you write this down. Add your email. This can be your domain email or Gmail or Outlook, whatever email you prefer. Choose your language if need be, and then select any plugins you want installed. You don't need to install any right now if you don't want to, as you can always do this from your WordPress dashboard later. Check out WP Central if you happen to have multiple WordPress sites, but for now, I'll only select Loganizer. Finally, choose your initial theme if you want. If you don't select one, the default will be installed. Again, don't worry about this now since we can always choose our theme later in WordPress. Enter an email if you want to be notified once the installation is done, and then click Install. And that's it. Now, when you navigate to the URL, you'll see your blank website. Then go ahead and log into WordPress and start creating your new WordPress site hosted on your NameCheap shared hosting account.
I hope this helped you guys. This is the simplest way to have one domain hosted and purchase additional domains and have multi-domain domains to one hosting account and install WordPress on separate domains. I hope that makes sense. Thanks guys for watching me today. My name's Ali again. If you're part of my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm here for you and because of you. For those of you guys looking to start an online business, you're at the right place. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share if you've gotten any value out of this video, and if you have any comments at all, please leave them in the box below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have if I can. Don't forget to take that bell icon because I'm constantly publishing new material, new videos, and this way you won't miss out on any upcoming videos. And last but not least, if you want to start your purchase a domain with NameCheap, I'm going to leave the link in the description, and you can do that. It's about $5-10 a year. It's really inexpensive, and the hosting is about the same, about $5-10 a year. So for 20 bucks, you can start building a website today, and that covers you for the whole year. And if you want to renew, you can do that. If you want to just try it out for a month or two, you can do that. There's multiple options. The link I'm going to have in the description is going to give you 99% off your annual subscription. So it's a fantastic way to start your start building a website. Thanks guys so much for being with me. Again, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. That really helps me out a lot. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you and have a wonderful night. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.